Scott with Track Auto Training. Many of you are watching Finnegan's Garage now, possibly for the first time, watching the latest episode. Well, if you didn't catch the very first episode where I actually mounted up all the tires and wheels for the C10, jump back and catch episode 67. For those of you that saw that episode and now saw me come back again, you know that we offer a mobile tire service and we help people get into that business. So since the last video, I wanted everybody to go to trackautotraining.com and click on Find Certified Techs Near Me. I read a lot of the comments and I know many of you don't have this kind of service near you. So in the last couple of years, I've been putting vans on the ground around the country, as well as training people that are already in tire stores, such as a traditional tire store, possibly in your neighborhood, to come here to the Track Training Center so that I can provide them with certified training, as well as expose them to many of the tools and the technology that you saw on the van. So if you'll see here, we've set up our training center to look very similar to the mobile tire service, but it works just as well in a tire store. So if you're looking for someone who has the right tools, training, and technology to do what you've seen me do on Finnegan's Garage, check out trackautotraining.com and look for certified techs. Or if you have an interest in this becoming a career for you and would like to learn some more information, check out www.2umobilesolutions.com. That's the number 2, letter U, mobilesolutions.com. Send me some information. And again, if a lot of people hit me up, it'll take me just a little bit of time, but bear with me. We've got systems in process. We'll get back in touch with you and talk about this great opportunity that you see expanding all over the United States. Thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe to our Track Auto Network on YouTube as well.